Today we'll be turning a chuck roast into these incredibly delicious, tender, and smoky birria beef bites. You can serve these up just about any way you like, and don't forget about that incredible consommé. If you're ready for this one, hit that like button and let's go. We have here a beautiful 4-pound fresh chuck roast. Trim away excess hard fat and cut this into 2-inch bites. Then get those into a bowl with a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Coat generously with our LSG Texas Fusion and LSG south of the border. Use those hand mixers to get these coated well and then set them aside. Into a Dutch oven, add 5 dried guajillo chilies, 2 dried ancho chilies, stems and seeds removed on both, 3 quartered Roma tomatoes, 1 large quartered white onion, 6 cloves of peeled garlic, 1 chipotle pepper with adobo sauce, 2 teaspoons Mexican oregano, 1.5 teaspoons ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 4 cups of beef broth. Then get this stirred and combined well and adjust with any salt and pepper if needed. Place a warming rack on top and get as many of these beef bites directly over the Dutch oven as possible. The rest you can fill around the edges. We want to render as much of this beef directly over the birria liquid as possible throughout the cook. Now with this all ready to go, it's time to head outside and fire up El Fuego Trio. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego Trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name means triple fire grill because it can cook with wood, charcoal, or pellets. We'll be using the pellet function today, cooking at a temperature of 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And don't forget, you can add a chunk of smoke wood for that added flavor. Once fully preheated, get the beef bites with Dutch oven on, and be sure to leave enough room for that lid thermometer to clear when you close the lid. Now just allow these to smoke, render, and most importantly, develop bark. This will take about 2 to 2.5 hours to build up that beautiful bark on the outside, and then it's time to move on to the next step, which is to remove the veggies from the Dutch oven along with about 1 cup of beef broth, blend them till smooth, and add them back to the Dutch oven with the beef bites. Stir this good, cover it up, close the lid on El Fuego, and let these go about 2 more hours to fully tenderize. Let them rest and cool for about 30 minutes, then you can serve these up any way you like. This is birria cranked all the way up. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.